Holly here. Don't forget to head over to Instagram, follow me over there, holl_ward, and don't forget to follow me here at holl_ward on YouTube as well. I post every single week. Today's video is my favorite, my specialty, my thing, Summer Fridays brand new launch, brand new lip butter balm launch to be specific, which is probably the most exciting for everybody. It's like an award-winning lip balm. They come out with new flavors quite often, and it's just like when they come out with new flavors, it's this big thing. They sell out, big deal. So they just launched, or they are launching, a brand new lip butter balm in the flavor birthday cake for the Summer Fridays birthday coming up. I think it's like the beginning of April, but this is obviously like ahead of time, kind of celebrating their 6 years of being a skincare brand. I absolutely love them. I've been with them since the beginning. We all know I love Summer Fridays. So as always, I do have a discount code for Summer Fridays before I get into this review and tutorial. It's SF Holly for 15% off anything on the Summer Fridays website. I think some of the gift sets are excluded, but it's like a big percentage off an amazing brand like this. So don't forget to use that. I'll leave it down below. How cute is this mailer? Adorable. Happy birthday, Summer Fridays, with this really beautiful envelope here with a little note explaining the new launch. It's going to be a limited edition flavor, this birthday cake flavor. It's available on February 15th, the day after Valentine's Day, on summerfridays.com, where you can use my discount. The mailer came with the brand new launch and then the jet lag mask, which is just one of my favorite products year round. This is the gorgeous new birthday cake lip. So you can see on here, you probably can't see from there, but it has some shimmer to it, which is very exciting because this is the first flavor, Summer Fridays lip butter balm, that has shimmer in it. So this is a big deal because it's a first for them. It's in beautiful packaging, the regular Summer Fridays lip butter balm packaging. It does have a little bit of sheen to it. All the other just kind of matte, but it's not like super sparkly, but you can tell it has a little bit of the iridescent sheen to it. So that's just exciting for us that are obsessed with that. The flavor is birthday cake. Going to reapply my lips just so I can give you a tutorial and a little talk through on my first impressions of this product as I apply it. Okay, I took my lip off, and as always, if you are familiar with my tutorials, we always go in with a lip liner to start. This one's from Pat McGrath. It's called Done Undone, so it's just like a really nice classic nude that's like pretty similar to your lip color, or my lip color anyways. Overline a little bit in the middle, go straight up the edges, and then I like to fill in the corners a little bit. When I'm wearing a gloss, it's a little more clear, even though this one does look like it has a tint to it. It just kind of makes your lip look a little more done when you fill in the edges. Same thing with the top. Just right on the lip's edge, and then a little overlining on the Cupid's bow. And filling in the corners. Then we're going in with the lip butter balm. As the product comes out, it's not like this crazy glittery type thing. And when applied, you can see it does have, like, it's not only clear, it has a pink tint. That iridescent sheen really gives the lip like a 3D look. But it's a very finely milled glitter. Can't feel it on my lips. Can't really see it, except for I can see it in the clear part, kind of when I push it up. But it just gives your lips like the most beautiful 3D look with a little bit of pink iridescent pearlized sheen to it. Like, this is probably my brand new favorite lip butter balm because it's got that little tint of pink and a little iridescent. So if you put this on, it's not only like hydrating your lips, it's giving you a beautiful lip look. I will be carrying this with me when I just want to look extra cute. It's definitely birthday cake flavor. Not too overpowering. It never is with Summer Fridays. It's kind of similar to the pink sugar flavor they have. I believe they had a pink sugar one that came out a couple years ago, maybe a couple springs ago. This is similar kind of smell and taste to that because of the vanilla aspect, I think. But it's a true birthday cake flavor. Nothing too crazy. Really, really nice scent. So it's more vanilla-y kind of taste, very similar to the classic, I would say. Similar to the classic and the pink sugar for smell and flavor wise. Appearance wise, it kind of looks like nothing else. It has that little bit of clear pink color to it, but it has that iridescent pearlized sheen that just makes it show-stopping. It's going to be so popular, this lip. I can already see it. And I'm interested to see what other new flavors Summer Fridays comes out with now that they launched a pearlized one. Like, are we going to start doing mattes, glosses? Like, I feel like we might. So absolutely love, you guys will love this new lip butter balm flavor. That is the end of my review and tutorial on the brand new Summer Fridays lip butter balm launch flavor. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward on YouTube. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at holl_ward over there as well. So don't forget, I have that discount code SFHolly for 15% off this birthday cake lip butter balm, as well as anything on the Summer Fridays site. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.